Welcome again to Mini Shorts. Today, been making a bit of progress on the back edge. Decided that the rear panel edge just wasn't really worth it keeping. I did my best to remove the patches that were welded up on the inside, but as you might be able to see, there are holes all along where the metal is really thin, and you know, it's still rust on here as well, and the same down that end on the corner panel, or the corner of the panel. You can see that it was rusting away in here. Now, a whole rear panel is just too expensive really, so we bought this Magnum piece and then this M Machine replacement corner piece here. Unfortunately it doesn't seem to have enough lip on it, but once the floor panel is on there, that will create the extra edge there that this one hasn't. You can see over here where it comes around this point, the curve effectively would go through the outside of that hole, whereas on this one the curve is going through the centre of the hole, so you're missing 1/2 centimetre of metal all the way around here, which obviously you can see here at this joint. So what have we done? This panel is joggled on the inside and spot welded as best we could along. Then here it's a butt weld. It's very rough at the moment, just to get it in place, and then a little joggle on the end here to join to this new panel, which I have been wire walling to get rid of the black Magnum coating, which I need to get rid of. Then we just butt welded it on. I still need to grind away all the rest of the weld. Bring you around this side. Need to grind away here to make this a reasonable finish. And then the last bit I'm just doing now, this piece we're actually deciding to keep. It didn't have any patches up on the inside, and there was one bit where it was just got a little hole in it here, so we just put some weld on there. You can probably see that from under there if it's not too dark. You're right in there. So last thing doing at the minute, just a bit of the Cure Rust, just painting that on. Painting that on here. Should get a new paintbrush really, just on the bit that we're not replacing, and then we'll temporarily put some primer over this. You see here where we've come up to the new little panel which we've now spot welded in down there. You see around there, and also up the seam. So that piece is in as well. Heading in the right direction, I think. Alright guys, just a little catch up for you. Thanks. Bye.